Welcome back to the channel, and today is the day 2 of my 7-day challenge. If you saw my last video, so yesterday was my day 1 and today is day 2nd. So I want to show you the result of like my effort on day 1. So let's switch to the laptop screen. Here you can see the use of article, some word practice, so this much effort I have put yesterday, and here is the chat GPT suggestion. Again, I asked them ki please, I need in a comparison form. So this is the comparison, like the or the sentences I have done correct, but when I make sentences my own, so I have made like a couple of mistakes. You can see out of 10, I think 3 of sentence was not correct. Okay, so I switch the camera, and sorry, now you can see the consistent. Like yesterday my word was consistent, so I have make word on consistent. Like this is, you can see the first word, consistency is the key of any learning, but I did wrong, so this is the correct one. Consistency is the key to any learning, not of key, sorry, to. Again, like I have been maintaining the consistency, so यहाँ पे the नहीं चाहिए, so it's mentioned here also. As well, like you can see the all the correction, and after that, like he has final comment कि ठीक है हम अच्छा कर रहे हैं, like we need to practice more. Okay, now it's the day 2 challenge. So here is the plan for today. You can see the task on my, like I have to prepare on prepositions like in, on, at, to, off, and there are, like I have to watch video on this particular name and some sentences for practice. Again, I have to make three sentences on each of them, and then again it's a listening task for 2 minutes. So search, like these are the particular, कहाँ गया here these are the particular BBC learning English at the movies, and speak English with Mr. Steve. So these thing I need to watch very carefully, and after see, you can see, repeat them aloud, try to match the speaker tones and pronunciation, so that I need to done. And again, word, today's word is progress, so I need to make some sentences now then, and I have to use that word in my blog or in my regular challenge. Here you can see the YouTube watching practice. So I watch a video on preposition of time. Time. What? So yeah guys, so this is about it for morning session, and very good morning to you. मिलते हैं थोड़ा आगे जाके.